If they let me get lost, if you don't. Look at the reaction when I hit them with the phone. Got Flizzy in the back, got cello in the front. Listen to the reggae, boy, I got what you want. It's so fly, cause the club on chong. Got hits like the wolf beat in the back of the zone. Let's take it back, throw back the zone. Clean at the waist, lean to the front. Now bounce, shove out to the just a little bit pound. Show me your feet, just a little bit. Anybody here, what better than me? From flag to the left, who better than me? Got all the star squad, better than me. Man, listen to the beat, who better than me? I paid the key, so I ain't finna chill. And my week been way too long to stand still.
All right, fam.
Now I'm taking shawty with the microphone. Hotter than a baby in the microwave. Yeah, she whopping, man, she might get paid. Whop a little harder. Look at how she whop, she a party starter. I hope that security remember the Carter. Cause I ain't finna whop over two and holler. Said I never drop dime, but I drop you $1. Told her give me a number and maybe I call her. She said that she knew me and she know about her. Man, I finna walk out of here, I see all the mall.
I want you guys to give both of these competitors a big hand because one's from Louisiana, one's from Kansas City. Top level freestyles that we're seeing right here.
Let's all count it down to 3.
So we're all going to count it down from 3. So kids, we know we're starting with 3, okay? All right.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Looks like Sam. All right, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for both these competitors.